Welcome, curious minds, to today's exciting journey into the world of cell phones. Have you ever wondered how these magical devices connect us with our loved ones and the world? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating realm of cell phone technology. Let's start with the basics. Your cell phone is not just a sleek device with a screen and buttons, it's a technological marvel with a brain of its own. Packed with a processor, display, battery, and communication modules, it's like having a tiny computer in your pocket. Now, when you decide to make a call, a series of events unfold to connect you with the person on the other end. Imagine your phone as a dancer on a stage, and the signals it sends as intricate choreography. As you press the call button, your phone transforms your voice into digital data, ready to perform its wireless dance. Picture this. Your phone sends these digital signals as radio waves to the nearest cell phone tower. These towers, scattered across the landscape, act as the unsung heroes of our wireless world. The tower picks up your call and becomes the first partner in this dance, ready to relay your voice to the intended recipient. Now, let's talk about the relay race that occurs behind the scenes. The tower your phone communicates with isn't necessarily the one closest to the person you're calling. It's like passing a baton in a relay race. Your call is handed off from one tower to another until it reaches the tower nearest to the person you're calling. But what about when someone calls you? Well, when that call is initiated, the sender's phone contacts the nearest tower to send a signal. This signal then embarks on a journey, much like a message in a bottle, seeking out your phone's tower. Once found, your phone is alerted, and the call is connected. Cue the ringtone. Now, how does your phone know which tower to connect to? It's like an invisible handshake that happens every time you power on your device. Each cell phone possesses a unique identifier known as the International Mobile Equipment Identity, IMEI number. This number is sent to the tower, creating a secure connection and ensuring that your phone and the tower are ready to communicate. As we wrap up, take a moment to appreciate the invisible technological process that happens every time you reach out to someone through your cell phone. Thank you for sticking till the end. Please consider subscribing for more simple explanations to come.